Did you know most panel wipes don't offer good lubrication to safely prep the paint for a ceramic coating? The solvents are too harsh and you risk marring the paint. 3D Wipe is a water-based, high lubricity panel wipe that will remove polishing oils and other residues off the surface gently without marring the finish. Using 3D Wipe is super easy. Simply spray onto surface to be prepped and wipe off with the clean microfiber towel. Continue working around the car, switching to fresh, clean microfiber towels often. 3D Wipe perfectly preps paint, glass, and plastic surfaces for the installation of 3D ceramic coating and 3D ceramic touch. 3D's ceramic coatings offer long-lasting protection with amazing gloss and shine, but like many projects, the secret to the end results starts with the prep work. Prep your car's paint the gentle and effective way. Use 3D Wipe.